In today's time, where our smartphones are powerful enough for us to work from anywhere,
These foldable Bluetooth keyboards are something you should own to make life easier.
or maybe you are in the office doing work on your laptop and your setup includes 2 to 3 devices, like one office device, one personal, and your phone for personal contact, these foldable compact keyboards are really handy in such situations. My work setup includes a MacBook, two smartphones, and before I got the MacBook, I even used to work on an iPad. Looking back, I regret not coming across these mini portable yet surprisingly functional keyboards back then. In this video, I am checking out 3 compact foldable keyboards so you don't end up with the same regret I had when I found them after I had already sold my iPad. But still, I do have multiple devices and working around them together is a hassle. When I had my iPad, I had researched about keyboards but none of these came up. Because of that, I had to rely on my Windows laptop to script my videos. I had carried that bulky laptop to cafes and other places to script, leaving my iPad at home. So let's start the review. Hi there, I'm Abhijit and you're watching TechNutso. Thanks to ConceptKart for sending this for review. I have with me the B023, B089 and B089T.
Let's start with the review and unboxing in order. The packaging is very compact and minimal with the keyboard diagram printed on the front. There are specifications printed like Bluetooth 5.1, multi-device connection, scissor switch, block type keycap, 67 total keycaps, weight 167 grams, etc. Inside the box, we get the keyboard wrapped in plastic, a phone stand which they have mentioned as complimentary, a USB-A to Type-C to charge the keyboard, and a manual. Let's have a look at the keyboard itself now. The build is plastic, the quality is good, and it doesn't feel different from a traditional full-size keyboard. The B023 is a two-fold compact keyboard and it folds with the help of magnets, which helps it stay folded. There are anti-slip pads at the bottom, so no matter how fast you type, the keyboard stays put. I like that, and it's got just one button. It is mentioned on the box that it has scissor switches, so here's the typing ASMR. Let me know how do you like it. The key travel is good enough and I like the feedback. As this is a foldable keyboard, some keys are big and some small in length. So it took a few minutes for me to adjust. And after that, typing has been fast and not a chore actually. This keyboard needs some pairing at first. And once it is done, the only thing to do is to unfold the keyboard and start typing. Yes, it doesn't have an on-off switch. Just unfold, select your device and start working. And once you are done working, just fold the keyboard and it switches off. Cool, right? It supports all devices from iPhones, iPads, Macs to Windows and also Android, so no one's left out. It also has keys named after both Windows and Mac, so there's no confusion at all. Alt for Windows, whereas it's command button for Mac OS, control and option respectively. Function keys also work flawlessly with smartphones, which is just amazing. And once you assign and learn the keyboard shortcuts, you will not even feel the need to use the trackpad and mouse. Yes, it is that useful.
The pairing process is quick and easy. I will explain it now so that once you order and unbox the keyboard, you won't feel the need to read the manual.
See, the QWER keys are to select the device we are using the keyboard with, iOS, Android, Windows and Mac respectively. And the keys ASD are to switch between devices, Bluetooth device 1, device 2, device 3 respectively. So the process is like, unfold the keyboard, press the pairing button first, then FN key with A, which is to assign device 1. A blue light will start flashing, then open Bluetooth on your device, which in my case is the MacBook. The keyboard will show up, tap to pair it, and done. Now start using it. Now to pair device 2, press the pairing button first, then press FN and S, and now open Bluetooth on the second device, which in my case is the Samsung Z Fold 5. The keyboard will show up, tap to pair, and we are done. Follow the same steps for pairing the third device. To switch between the devices, we just have to press FN plus A, S and D. It is damn quick, I am amazed. Remember to switch the operating systems by pressing FN and QWER to suit it well with the device you are using. Pairing is just a one-time process. After pairing, just keep using the keyboard hassle-free, but remember to charge the keyboard from time to time. The B023 has a lithium battery of 140 mAh and rechargeable batteries are much convenient than user replaceable. There's a red LED indicator on the keyboard to notify us of a low battery. Keyboard battery percentage is shown in the MacBook's battery widget and the Bluetooth devices in Windows. To conserve the keyboard's battery, it turns off when no device is paired within 2 minutes. If not in use for 10 minutes, it goes into sleep mode and we can press any key to wake it up and start typing right away. Very thoughtful features. I have tested it with my Windows laptop, MacBook, iPhone and Samsung Z Fold 5 and it worked perfectly with all of them. I really enjoyed and found it very useful with my Fold 5 and it would have really come in handy with my iPad. I do script on my Fold 5 when I don't have my MacBook around and this is a game changer for sure. Also, the complimentary phone stand is very helpful. I do face key chatter on this but not very often, so not a huge issue. It is available in two color options, black and white. You can choose as per your taste.
If you watched this video until this point in time, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. The B023 has everything except a numpad. And if you specifically want one, the B089 is for you.
The unboxing experience is similar. We get the keyboard, a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging and a manual. But there's no complimentary phone stand with it. A stand could have been good, but nonetheless you can buy it yourself. I'll drop some links in the description. The B089 is also made up of plastic but feels much more premium than the B023. Unlike the B023, which is a 2-fold keyboard, this B089 is a 3-fold keyboard. It has the same anti-slip pads inside and outside to help smooth folding and outside to hold onto the surface. The magnets are really strong and hold the keyboard firmly in place. It has a USB-C port for charging and an on and off switch. It has 3 LED indicator for num lock, caps lock and the low battery. The key travel is good and it seems to be quiet enough. Actually helpful when you are in a room where your homies are already asleep and you are working. When unfolded, the size of the keyboard is not very different from traditional keyboards, so that's a plus while still being pocketable. The pairing process for B089 is press the function key with A, which is to assign device 1. Then press Fn and C to start pairing. A blue light will start flashing. Then open Bluetooth on your device, which in my case is the MacBook, and the keyboard will show up. Tap to pair it and done. Now to pair device 2, press Fn and S, then press Fn and C, and now open Bluetooth on second device, which in my case is the Samsung Z Fold 5. The keyboard will show up, tap to pair, and we are done. Follow the same steps for pairing the third device. It's quick and easy, and once paired, just flip the on-off switch, select the device and start typing. The B089 is available in only one color option, which is grey.
If you prefer a trackpad over a numpad, that's where the B089T comes in.
The packaging and unboxing experience are just totally the same as the B089 model. We get the USB-A to USB-C cable, the manual and the keyboard. The whole typing experience is also the same as the B089 and the only difference is the trackpad instead of the numpad. We get proper left and right buttons on the trackpad, which makes things way easier when navigating. It doesn't feel any different from the Windows trackpad. No issues with gestures, they work well. This B089T keyboard literally transforms my Samsung Fold 5 into a work setup. The trackpad pointer shows up and I can control the whole device with it. This is mind-blowing. This would also be perfect for iPad and tablet users. One catch is that the pointer didn't show up on my iPhone until I turned on assistive touch, but after turning it on, a round pointer showed up and then the trackpad would work as normal.
This may be some iOS limitation. My Dell laptop's trackpad has gone bad and this keyboard came in handy when I was working on it. The auto sleep timer, battery capacity, the features and the pairing process are the same for all three of these foldable keyboards. The charging time is approximately 2 to 3 hours as per the website. All these keyboards are backed by a 6-month warranty from the manufacturer, so you can pick any of these up worry-free.
These all are so easy to carry that they even fit in my jeans pocket and also in my MacBook's sleeve. Also, I want to mention that I didn't face any fatigue while I used them. And one very good thing was that I had enough distance between the devices and my eyes.
I'm surely going to buy the B0890 as it will help me in my productivity setup with my Z Fold 5 now and also will come in handy when an iPad joins someday.
I highly recommend you check these foldable compact keyboards out from ConceptKart. Links are in the description and the pinned comment. Pricing is on the screen right now.
So here I end my video. This was my review of the foldable keyboards from ConceptKart. Drop your queries in the comments below and the relevant ones will be answered. If you have any tech queries, follow and DM me on Instagram. I'm happy to help. Instagram link in the description. So see you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.